How to turn on Friends Quest on Duolingo app. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to activate Friends Quest in the Duolingo app. Friends Quest offer a fun way to learn together with your friends each week. You can participate in a quest where you and your friend complete language challenges, learning more engaging and motivating. To get started, open the Duolingo app on your device and ensure you are logged in into your account to access all features. Once you are in the app, this will take you to your profile page. Now, let's enable Friends Quest. To do this, tap the gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page to enter the settings menu. From there, select Preferences. In the Preferences menu, look for the Friends Quest option. To turn on Friends Quest, simply toggle the switch next to it. And that's it. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.